Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Stock Market by Shri. Today you will get to know how to pick a stock for beginners in simple two ways. Basically there are two important things to do. Number one, fundamental analysis. Number two is technical analysis. As you can see in the screen, there are two types of analysis. One is technical analysis and the other one is fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis is used for investors. It is for a long time investing, and here the data is fetched like financial statements, and the technical analysis is used for traders mainly, and it is for the short time like trading, and here the data are charts. So these are the two types of analysis to pick a stock. Thank you for watching guys. Tomorrow I will be back with another topic. Please do subscribe. Share this video with your families and friends. Thank you.